We're out here on a salon business, and she's got nothing on her thermostat, just a blank screen, so got no voltage going to it. So we're going to check. They have already been up in the ceiling, and the unit pan is full, so it's off on auxiliary switch, pan switch. So we're going to get that pan drained out and get some footage of it. God, we're up here in this ceiling. It's almost American Standard here. I don't know if you can see it. But you can't see a thing. It's not bright enough. But here's our unit. Here's our pan. As you can see, we got no drain on our pan. The only drain we do have is right here off the unit. So we're gonna blow the main out and get you some more footage. We'll be back. And here is our float switch. See if I can get close up on that guy, if you can even see it. I got a flashlight here, let's see. Oh, where'd my flashlight go? Who knows? Probably put up by now, but anyway, that float switch is what was tripped on the water in the pan because that main condensate drain was clogged up. And we got it unclogged now, so we're gonna head on to the next one, guys. Maybe we'll get some footage of that outdoor train, American Standard unit before we go. And here's our unit. There's a nice unit, not bad. Good old American Standard. The best you can get, as far as I'm concerned. Serial 2007 122 unit. Well, we got them fixed up and running. We can head on to the next one, guys.